some coconut milk. You can also use almond or rice milk. I've got 1 teaspoon of spirulina, but you can use again any other superfoods you like, chia seeds, wheatgrass and so on. I've got pineapple and fresh kale. Cut your pineapple. Add your pineapple, spirulina, coconut milk, We're going to be needing a pinch of cinnamon, strawberries, dates, ginger, spinach and banana. Add your banana, strawberries and ginger, cinnamon, dates and your spinach. I also like to add a few chia seeds just on top. We're going to need some dates, almonds, cinnamon, apple, banana and water. Add water into your blender. Then add the rest of your ingredients, your apple, banana, we will need milk, blueberries, cocoa powder, spirulina, chia seeds. You can also use flax seeds, avocado and dates. Add your milk into your blender. We will need strawberries, canned peaches, kiwi. I'm using wine glass, but you can use any other glasses you have in the house. So take your strawberry and a straw and place right in the middle and just push it down, and then there it is, it comes off. Now we're going to cut the kiwi and get rid of the skin. Place kiwi into your blender. And add your peaches and ice. Lastly, add strawberries and ice. We're going to get a blender. We're going to place 1 cup of milk in here. I'm using almond milk. You can use any other milk you like. We're going to add 1 banana, ginger, raspberries. Now we're going to add our dates and spinach, about 1 handful, just right in there. Spinach contains a good intake of iron, so while spinach won't probably make you super strong at the minute you eat it as it did for Popeye, it will promote your health and vitality in many other ways. Mangoes contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals, helping to make them a superfood. Mangoes provide a good amount of your daily vitamin C, A and fiber. Also, mango helps with weight loss and digestion and cleansing of the skin. Potassium in the banana protects against muscle cramps. Bananas could help you to feel happier as they are a natural source of tryptophan. Once you've prepared all your fruit and vegetables, we're just going to blend them together. We're going to start off with our mango. We're going to place it in our blender. We're going to add bananas. Then I'm also going to add my coconut milk. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add my spinach and ginger. Again, ginger is really good for your immune system, so make sure you try and include it every day. When everything is nice and smooth, I'm going to add just half a cup of ice cubes. You don't have to add it, but I like this smoothie cold texture. Papaya is an excellent source of powerful antioxidants and vitamin C and A. Papaya is a good source of fiber, which has been shown to lower high cholesterol levels. The nutrients in papaya are also thought to help with the prevention of colon cancer. B-complex vitamins in red apples are a key in maintaining red blood cells and the nervous system in good health. Okay, so the first thing we're going to blend is our papaya. Put that into blender. Now we're going to add our cucumber and ginger. I chopped ginger very thinly, just like that. And that's just to give it that really nice and fresh taste. Then we're going to add our red apples straight away. And I've got here 2 cups of ice. You can also use filtered water. Just to give it a really nice and refreshing cold taste. Here we go.